Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to day number 19 of my Christmas catch-up series or layout a day. And today, again, I'm starting with a scrapbook generation sketch by Allison Davis. Today's sketch is a 2-page sketch, and it's one that calls for 6 photos. I only have 5, so it works out okay. I'll make them work. It calls for a number of pattern papers, so I have pulled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patterns in. Let me move this. So here are my 5 papers, a couple of small patterns. This one is tone on tone, so it reads as a solid, but it's not. It has a faint circle on stack circles. Is that what that's called? Anywho, that has the feel of a solid sheet of paper, even though it does have a pattern to it. Then I have this stripe, of course, and then another pattern, all within the red, green, and off-white tone. So I went through my scrap cardstock, if you will, ones that I know that I'm not going to use the front of. These are Old American Crafts papers from a paper pad, so I just pull them out and put them with this, and I think it's gonna work. So I pull these 2 pieces of paper in to be my background paper. Whether they stick or not, I'm not 100% sure. I may pull in some more of that. If I have some more of that Colonial White from Close to My Heart, I might pull that instead. These look a bit stark next to the papers, but let me see what I can do. I might even pull in some of that craft paper, even though I don't have any craft feel with this. I'm going to make it work somehow. Anyway, guys, give me a second and I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay, friends, I am done with layout number 19. I went ahead and pulled in my scrap bag again this go around. And I pulled in some scraps from some pieces of paper that I added in. And as for, I think that was a scrap too, right? Yeah, that was a scrap too from my last layout. I used everything that I pulled in to use. So there are all of those. I did cut some pieces from this one, but I did not use a significant amount. It's like an inch off of there. I pulled in this black alphabet to complete my title. And it's from my stash, and it is called Poolside American Crafts. I pulled in a couple sets of bling from Eyelet Outlet and Want to Scrap. The little red and then this black glitter. That is so pretty, y'all. I don't think you can quite get how glittery that is. So pretty. And I pulled in these metallic holographic washies because, well, I haven't used them and I thought, why not? I did pull in this sticker sheet. And I used a ton from here. I used the banners here, a phrase here, the presents, another phrase here, and a wreath here. And I was going to use that and didn't end up doing it. So it's up on foam adhesive. I used a couple phrases from this sticker sheet. And I used numbers from this sticker sheet right here to do my date. And if you'll remember, this is a 2-pager, and let me stretch it across here to show you the layout. And I will have close-ups of this layout at the end of the video if you want to see those, if you want a bit closer shot of the details. And my title is What's That Grumpy with the question mark. My little granddaughter had gotten one of those tables that make noise and play alphabets, and I don't know what all it did. But anywho, she got that for Christmas, and she was initially a little bit hesitant, and I think you can see she's kind of looking at it here, and then she's watching my husband with it there, and then she like got a little bit closer, and then finally she starts playing with it in these photos. So it was a fun little exploration in something new for her. So you can see where I put the different things up here, the bling, the bitty bling I put on the sticker there, the year here, more stuff right here. More stuff right here, my wreath here, and my Merry Christmas up there. And this background paper is actually from my stash, and it was one of those ones that was ruined by the sticker. I think it's an old basil piece. Anyway, they had a sticker on it, and I'd gotten quite a few sheets of it. Anyway, when I initially pulled it off, it was all stained from the sticker, and so later on, or right after that, I went through and I peeled off all the stickers, but they're all stained, so I've been a little bit hesitant to use them, or I've used them with the stained portion back behind the pattern paper, but for whatever reason, this one's behind the pattern paper, but it's on the opposite side. Not that it makes much difference. But anywho, another layout is done and ready for the album. I'm looking forward to getting this series done so that I will be a little bit closer caught up on Christmas, if you will. I do a little bit every year. I seem to scrapbook more recent photos, but I don't always get to all of them. And so this series has been so helpful in finishing up those last ones, you know, over the last 3-4 years, and I feel like I have caught up on those, and I can finish out those photo albums as far as that goes and put those away onto the forever shelf, since I've done scrapbooking everything from those albums. So that will be nice. I can finish those off and put those away. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I hope you will come back tomorrow for another layout. If you're interested in seeing the other layouts that I have in this series, make sure you check out my playlist called December 2022. And for those who have been showing up every day and flipping me that thumbs up button, I appreciate you guys so much, so very much. And I just love that you guys are here supporting me every day by watching my videos. Guys, I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.